international technical official to get an appointment at any of the Olympics. It is a dream come true, but I really wish instead of me, one of our Goan boxers could have achieved this. I look forward that Goan boxers will now get motivated and will give their best and become international champions.
So how is the response for the boxing in the Goa?
The response is very good, but the support and the coaching is not up to the mark. I wish uh, equipment, suitable equipment, which has not been supplied for the last 5 years, is supplied now, and Goa Boxing Association uh, has 22 lakhs due to them for grants, which has not been given to us for the last 5 years. I wish at least now they give it to us and we can start functioning again. We can spend it on our boxers. CM is very considerate. He has promised that he will do everything for boxing and he will encourage boxing.
What the sports minister has done for boxing then? You are talking about CM, but the present sports minister is Babu Asgankar.
I
Is
don't
he
think-
aware about the boxing issue or what it is?
Uh, I had gone to CM to present him my letter for appointment at the Olympics,
Okay.
and CM was very, very supportive. But I don't think Mr. Asgankar even knows about it.
He doesn't know also that you have been appointed for Olympics
Yes.
Tokyo.
I met him.
Don't you think so? It is a sad part that the sports minister is not aware about such a huge achievement that you have done.
Anytime you approach the sports minister,
Sports minister can approach केलं तुम्ही
आम्ही खूप पावडी अप्रोच
काय का ना
केलं
बघा पडलेलंच ना
काहीच झालं
नाही बाबा कितले अचिवमेंट हो तुझ्या जिवितान हो तुझ्या बॉक्सिंग करियरान जर अपॉइंटिंग टोकियो ऑलिम्पिक्स
it is something very, very big. It is not easy. It is not easy to be appointed for the Olympics. I have worked without a godfather through thick and thin. And I have come up. I was a referee judge first, and I climbed to be a three-star referee judge. I climbed to be a ITO. Then I was a evaluator, and they found me to be one of the best. So that is why they have selected me as one of the 3 evaluators for the Olympics.
Any help from the state government that has been that you would like to see, or would like to get, or you have asked for? Because going to Tokyo, staying there, it's a huge cost.
See, all expenses are paid for the Olympics for me to go down there.
Yeah, but even
But-
then,
The CM has said whatever is due to you will be given to you, and I have promised that 50% of that will be given to Goa Boxing Association,
back to them.
back to Goa Boxing Association, so I can motivate my boxers with prize money.
Okay, in the last 5 years since you are in boxing association and everything, the present sports minister has initiated any interest in that? Oh, taka काही खबर ना boxing मिळला किती
आमचो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर हांव कांयच म्हणूंक शकना पूण वी हॅव इनवायटेड द एक्झिक्युटीव डायरेक्टर अँड जॉयंट डायरेक्टर कोचिंग फॉर आवर चॅम्पियनशिप्स बट नेवर हॅव दे कम
So they have never shown any interest in boxing.
फॉर द लास्ट 5 years नथिंग
Then how boxing will gain? How boxing गोंय कशें शकतले? समज तूं स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर ताजे ऑफिशियल्स कोण तुमच्या बरोबर इंटरेस्ट दाखयना
कोण आमचो स्टेडियम वचून पळया इट इज नियरली ब्रोकन डावन
So
It is not even maintained. Umpteen letters have been written to them, but nothing has been done.
so what was his response when you went to the sports minister? What he said to you?
When we went to the sports minister, we approached him regarding our
Dues.
pending funds. And he said it will be arranged. And Prabhudas Sahib was there.
कितलो
Prabhudas
टाइम झाला का
पण आणि प्रभुदासान सांगले दितलो म्हूण
कितलो टाइम झाला का
आतां थोडेच वर्सां जालीं
कांयच करूंक ना
कांयच जावंक ना
बाबून तुमकां कांय विचारूंकय ना बाबा बॉक्सिंग कशें चलता
त्या उपरांत कांयच ना त्या उपरांत कांयच ना
Thank
सो
you.
इतले तुका कांय हेल्प जायनासतना हाऊ आर यू मुवींग विथ बॉक्सिंग इशू देन
We have been somehow managing and going for the nationals. We are even trying to move to the south, but